I'm trying to see these things. It's hard to see with the sun glaring on me, so I don't know. In the water. We haven't zoomed in a little more. See them three birds? Those look interesting, and they're not really afraid. They're not that far away. They're just 20 feet away.
They got long beaks. One's got their head in the water.
I hope this is
coming out
because that is really, really
Pause.
cool. Any idea what these little boogers are? Got some here. And there's some over here. They're just working their way here along the shore. And there's a fish carcass over there. It's a curiosity for us. I haven't seen these birds. And so, come back over here. Wow, there's like a bunch of them right there. Am I getting them? And they don't seem to be that bothered by me. All right. We'll see if we can figure out what these things are. Okay. I'm over here, and I'm much closer than I was. I want to see what happens when I move in if I don't sink up to my elbows. You can see them birds. I'm 15 feet from them. There goes one flies.